In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the opacity of images in Elementor. Whether you're looking to create a modern, layered effect on your website or simply want to adjust the transparency of an image to let text or other elements pop, understanding image opacity can be a real game changer. So, grab a seat and let's walk through this process together. Let's start by opening Elementor and accessing the page where you'll be making your changes. Once you are on your desired page, enter the Elementor editor by clicking on Edit with Elementor. This will bring up the intuitive drag and drop interface that Elementor is known for. You should see your page structure on one side, and the Elementor panel with various widgets on the other. Now, to change the opacity of an image, you first need to select the image widget. If you haven't yet added an image widget to your page, you can do so by finding the image widget in the Elementor panel. Simply drag it onto the section where you want the image to be displayed. Once your image widget is in place and your image is selected, take a glance at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the settings for this specific widget. Start by ensuring that you've selected the Styling tab in the Widget settings. This tab is where magic happens for all things design related. Within the Styling tab, one of the key sections you'll see is called Opacity. Here, you're given a slider or a numerical field, depending on your Elementor version, which you can use to adjust the opacity. The range is typically from 0 to 1, with 0 being completely transparent, practically making your image invisible, and 1 being fully opaque or solid. By slowly dragging this slider back and forth, you can decide just how much of the image you want to show versus how much of the background or underlying elements you want visible. Keep in mind that a good balance often enhances the visual appeal of your site. For example, gentle transparency can maintain focus on your tutorial text without overshadowing the image backdrop. If you adjust the slider to around 0.5, you might notice your image appearing lighter and the background coming through, striking that balance between visibility and aesthetic layering. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, remember to save your changes by clicking Update at the bottom left of your screen. This ensures that everything you've adjusted up to this point becomes visible on the live site. There you go! We've navigated through the simple steps of altering image opacity in Elementor. By mastering this technique, you can easily enhance the visual dynamics of your web page, ensuring content stands out beautifully. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy designing with Elementor, and see you next time.